automatic hot rolling ball production line dedicated to high-quality steel ball manufacturing. Relies full-line automatic feeding, hot rolling, forming, and heat treatment. Minimize manual operation. Greatly improve overall production efficiency. Stable, hot rolling, forming performance. Consistent, ball dimension. Excellent surface finish. Low or material loss. Flexible parameter setting. Supports long-term continuous heavy load production. Complete monitoring and protective functions. Stable operation and convenient daily maintenance. Forever electromechanical. Your reliable induction heat treatment solution partner.